Hey party people! Yeah, so before somebody told me I wasn't dynamic enough in my intro, so now I gotta be like, whoa! Anyway, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Another video here. I've gotten lots of questions about what's it like to live in China, but specifically the housing arrangement. So I have been in China just under 2 years, and I've already lived in 3 different apartments. So I'm going to show you some videos and talk about some of these. Also, some of my friends let me go into their apartments and do some filming, so you get a chance to see a bunch of different types of apartments. More or less, it's the same as everywhere else in the world, or at least all the places that I've lived. There's a few little differences, and I'll point these out in the video. So stay tuned, check it out. Woo! That dynamic enough?
So I lived in this apartment with 4 roommates. All of them were girls. I picked this apartment because it was about 10 minutes from my job by bike, which was great. When I moved in, there was nothing in the kitchen. Nobody used it, so it was pretty much mine. So they never used it except when they wanted to put trash in the kitchen. So they just threw their garbage out, but they never cooked or anything. So I guess that was okay. But then the bathroom. This caused a little bit of contention, especially when the roommates didn't. Look at my face. That just kind of describes the whole situation there. So roommates are not always the best. But my room was actually pretty cool. It was not too big, not too small. The whole house was carpeted. So basically, my roommates are what caused me to move out and move into my own place, which you see here. I wanted to make sure I had a living room that was separate so I can do my workouts. Kind of like this open floor plan, but this super small kitchen was not cool. And this bathroom with the open shower was also not the best. But everything else was pretty cool.
I realized that, so out this window here is the front door. So it's like during the day when I'm at work, it was kind of loud, but hopefully I'll be at work so it wouldn't matter. But we'll see how it is at night, if people are coming in or not, because then that would suck. Another thing I love most about packing up your whole house and moving a bunch of times in just a few weeks? Nothing.
So I finally found this third apartment right next to the metro stop. Very convenient because I do personal training in my home. Everything just seemed to be good enough. Better than last place. Still quite noisy. The windows just suck in China apparently. But I get that beautiful sunlight all day.
Ooh, I got stuff everywhere. Yep. Okay. How did I get so much stuff? I don't recall collecting things. It's not so bad in here, right?
So moving into the apartment, I had to change some things, add some, personal touches. The bathroom, it just wasn't. I had to make it better. I didn't like the way it was set up. Water goes everywhere. There's no shower curtain. So I, came up with my own little concoction.
So I had originally bought this shower curtain with the shower bar, and so it's not long enough. And then on top of that, I can't figure out how to get it to stay. So I had to be creative.
In the kitchen house, I had to make some changes. There's just no counter space to prepare food, so I had to buy a table. Also, there's no storage for hanging up clothes and stuff, so I came up with this clever idea for have parties. And then in the main area, I basically just moved furniture around because the main idea is to have space for my workouts, so I made space. I used this commercial here in China to advertise my personal training services on WeChat. You can see there's quite a bit of space. I can train 2 or 3 people, especially if it's just bodyweight training. So this was one of the best things about getting this apartment. And then also when I have parties, I have lots of space.
So I'm here at my buddy Matt's house, just so we can see another look of what housing in China could look like. Let's go take a look. Hey, what's up, bud?
Not much.
Now your mom's gonna see this video and she's like, Matthew, why didn't you make your bed?
Yeah. Is that right?
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I don't know, my YouTube skills aren't that great yet where I can make the button appear where my finger is, but it's down here somewhere. Just, yeah, hit that red button, subscribe, leave me comments, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you like, what you don't like. If you don't like my face, tell me. If you love my face, tell me. I just want to hear it. Share it with your friends, like all the other social media stuff. See you in the next video. Peace!